What is going on, guys? It's Dan here, back with another video, and today I want to show you guys something that I've been trying to have a trial run for quite a while. So we're going to be talking about, if you read the description, a fix for your Videomic Go. So this is the Rode Videomic Go. I have two of these, and one of these I broke. I actually broke the hinge right about here, but that's not the point right now. The point is that there is a problem with these Videomic Go's, and I believe there's also a problem on the Videomicros. Now, the difference you want to see with these is the Videomic Go's are the smaller one, and they are an omnidirectional microphone, so they don't get as good of quality. The Videomic Go, however, is a shotgun microphone, but the big flaw with both of them is that they are not battery powered. So what you usually have is you have the Videomic Go or the Rode microphone, and then you have the red cord that goes into it, and then this plugs into your headphone jack. Now the problem that comes up with these is there is a hissing problem, and it's really bad actually. There's plenty of videos, and I know I've heard it on plenty of my things, that it's a hissing or a popping noise. So let's go down. I'm going to tilt the camera back down, and then we're going to look at my camera, and I'm going to show you guys what I have done several times and in the past to help things. So I'm going to reattach this to my camera down here, and I'm going to tilt you guys. So here it is attached to my camera that I vlog with. I do vlog with the Lumix G7. I think it's one of the better cameras to vlog with. The only thing I wish I had is image stabilization inside the body of the camera, but that's a totally different story for a totally different video. Right now though, and what I have been using in the past has been this Videomic Go, and a lot of my stuff I've been hearing this really bad hissing noise. You have hissing, popping, and the consensus, even by Rode, is that it's an... Oh, does my fly up? Yes, it is. The consensus by Rode is that there is, since it's not battery powered and essentially just uses the cable, what you're getting is this interference. So this is picking up sometimes Wi-Fi, cellular connections with towers, so your cell phone can do it. Your cell phone giving off Wi-Fi is also a possibility. And what I've done in the past is I have just gotten a new, I'd get a new microphone or a new cable, and I would just use a new cable. But one thing that I've seen that has helped, at least the last week or so, is using a bigger cable and a probably sturdier cable. Obviously the connectors are a little bit bigger, and that's in focus. And it's also really bulky, but I think that helps to fight the interference. To my understanding, the interference comes from the camera, and a little bit of static comes from the cables from it transferring back and forth. So by using a bigger cable and a heavy duty one, now mind you, I've had this cable for years. This is an old Belkin cable back when I had my iPod Nano, so this is a very old cable, but it's a coiled cable. Is something that you'd like, Now it's a very big cable. Let's actually put this in. I'll give you guys an idea of what it looks like. I might even cut off this plastic piece right here, but this is how big this cable is. It's especially when you're putting out in front of yourself to vlog. It's a big cable, but I will trade that to be able to use this microphone a lot longer than trying to go out and buy a new microphone every week or 3 weeks, whenever it starts to do the popping sound again. So, or, trying to get a powered microphone that I'm using right now. So my biggest thing and how to fix this is to go ahead and get a new cable that is a headphone to headphone jack. No need to get the specific type, because I'm not plugging this in my phone, because I have the new-ish now, iPhone 10. No home button or anything like that. So I have no way of even trying to connect the bottom end to my phone to use this microphone to my phone. So again, normal auxiliary jack to auxiliary, and I would say the thicker the cable, probably the better. It probably is able to contain the interference. Now I could be totally wrong about the way this actually works. It would not be the first time where I've been my experiment has not gone well, but I've done about 3 vlogs with this cable alone, and it's worked out pretty well. So let me know what you guys think down in the description below. Let's go ahead and reconnect you here. And if you guys have tried this yourselves, you know, I've seen plenty of videos where people have tried random different things, or even just sending the microphone back to Rode. But I think, in my mind, I'm going to say it's just these small cables. They're thin, you know, they're not covered probably the best because of how small they are, because you want a smaller profile. But if it means to keep better quality for a cheaper price, I would say get a new new coiled cable. Like I said, let me know what you think down below. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and as always, forever till the end of time, RADAKA.